Imagine holding a simple $100 bill in your hand. Now imagine that same 100 becoming 1 million. Not through luck, not through gambling, but through a system, a repeatable, predictable system used by real creators, real entrepreneurs, and real investors. Today, I'm going to break down exactly how you can turn $100 into 1 million, starting from zero. No fluff, no motivational shouting, only logic, math, and execution. Let's begin. The first thing to understand is this. You don't make $1 million. You compound your way to it. You turn 100 into 1,000, 1,000 into 10,000, 10,000 into 100,000, and eventually into 1 million. Your job is not to get rich instantly. Your job is to build a money machine, a skill or business that multiplies value over time. So, how do we start? Your first mission is to turn $100 into 1,000. At this stage, the money is not the important part. The skill is. That $100 is simply fuel to acquire a high ROI skill. Maybe you buy a basic microphone, a phone stand, and some editing tools so you can start creating content. Maybe you invest in learning freelance skills like copywriting, video editing, thumbnail design, or social media management. Maybe you use the money to buy and resell products, thrift clothes, accessories, electronics, anything with margins. Or maybe you start a small microservice, photography, cleaning, delivery, digital tasks. These skills can easily earn you your first $200, $500, $800, and eventually $1,000. This part usually takes a few weeks if you stay consistent. Once you hit $1,000, the game changes. Now you take your skill and turn it into a service business. A video editor becomes a small editing agency. A copywriter becomes an email marketing specialist. A reseller becomes a small e-commerce store. A microservice becomes a local business. This is where you start earning real money. 10 clients paying you $300 a month is $3,000 a month. 3 months later, you've crossed $10,000. If you're in e-commerce, your first few bulk orders and small ad campaigns can push you past $10,000 even faster. Once you reach $10,000, your next goal is $100,000. And the only way to hit that is by scaling, not hustling. You hire freelancers, you raise your prices, you build systems, you create templates, you add more services. Your job becomes marketing, client acquisition, quality control, not doing every task yourself. With a small remote team, your agency or business can hit $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 a month. At that pace, you reach $100,000 in profit within a year. Now comes the big leap. How do you turn $100,000 into $1 million? There are two paths. The first path is to scale your business to 7 figures. This is very achievable. 50 clients paying you $1,000 a month is $50,000 a month, $600,000 a year. With a project manager, a sales rep, and a group of freelancers, you can operate this efficiently without burning out. The second path is to invest like an operator. You keep a cash buffer. You put $30,000 into long-term index funds or ETFs. You reinvest $20,000 into your business to get more clients. And you use the rest to build long-term assets like a faceless YouTube channel, a digital product line, or an e-commerce brand. These can generate $3,000 to $10,000 a month in semi-passive income. After a few years of reinvesting, scaling, and compounding, your assets plus your business valuation plus your savings cross $1 million. Not through miracles, through math. So, let's see the full journey clearly. Year 1, you learn a skill and make your first few thousand.
Year 2, you scale your service and hit $10,000 to $15,000 a month. Year 3, you reinvest, hire, systemize, and hit $30,000 to $50,000 a month. Year 4, you build long-term assets and cross the million mark. This is the realistic path, and people do it every day. But there are traps you must avoid. Stop chasing crypto pumps, lottery tickets, and gambling quick money. Stop switching your ideas every week. Mastery beats randomness. Stop spending your early profits. Reinvest them. Stop refusing help. You need a team eventually. And above all, learn sales. Sales is the engine behind every millionaire journey. So what should you do right now? In the next 30 days, pick a money-making skill. Build a simple portfolio of 10 samples. Start reaching out to 50 businesses every day. Offer a few free trials. Close your first clients. Deliver great work. Then scale, improve, and raise your prices. $100 is not the thing that makes you rich. It's the spark. The real engine is the skill you grow, the business you build, and the systems you scale. The $100 bill is the seed. The business becomes the tree, and the investments become the forest. That is how you turn $100 into $1 million. Like the video if you find this effective, and subscribe if you want more.